Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on iPhone. To start, open your internet browser in your mobile device. Once you are now in your internet browser, use the search bar this time. And then in here, you're going to search for ChatGPT. Now click on the link that says openai.com. This will now lead you to ChatGPT. In here, click on the button that says Try ChatGPT. Once you are now redirected into this website, click on the button that says Log In. Then in here, just input your credentials, or you could also continue using your Google or Gmail account. Now, choose which Gmail account you want to use to access ChatGPT. Once you are now here, that means you are now able to use ChatGPT at your own will. So go ahead, ask any questions. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.